Humans love to categorize things into groups. Like with movies, we have comedies, science fiction, or romance. These groups help us make sense out of a lot of information in a short period of time. The same goes when people are shopping online. They look for something that they recognize, whether it be a word like dresses or laptops, and they're not too patient if they can't find it quickly. This is why Shopify has product collections, to help you categorize your products. Today, I'll show you how to create a drop-down menu of collections from your site's navigation, which would allow shoppers to get a quick idea of the products that you sell. By the way, drop-down menus are sometimes called pull-down lists, sub-menus, or sub-navigation. Let's take a look at this store. They've added a drop-down menu below their Shop by Type button in the main navigation bar. A shopper can quickly tell that this store sells t-shirts, tank tops, hoodies, mugs, and stickers. And by clicking any one of these, I can be taken straight to their collection. Figuring out how to make a drop-down menu isn't very obvious in Shopify, but it's fairly straightforward. So let me show you. This is my store, and I don't have a drop-down menu created yet. But I want to make a menu appear when a visitor hovers over Catalog. Right now, nothing happens. To get started, log into your Shopify admin. You can pause the video if you need a minute to do so. The interesting part about drop-down menus is you don't need to edit your theme to get one. You actually want to click Online Store in the sidebar, followed by Navigation. So there's some behind-the-scenes magic that makes this work, but we'll get there. In order to make a menu that drops down from another menu, choose the item you want to drop down from. So for me, that's Catalog under my main menu. Once you've decided, keep the name of that menu item in your memory and click Add Menu. So here's the magic. All you have to do is name this menu the exact same name as the button from your main navigation that you want it to drop down from. In my case, that's Catalog. It's very important that the spelling is exactly the same. And now, you can begin choosing which items you want to drop down from Catalog. Start by entering a name. This will be the name of the button that appears in the drop-down menu on your storefront, so choose it wisely. I mentioned earlier that I wanted to build a list of collections, but you can build anything into the list. Maybe you wanted to put a blog instead. After you choose the type, you can then attach it to the destination in your store. So in my case, that's the men's collection. After that, use the Add Menu Item button to continue adding all the items to your list. When you're happy with your list, click Save. Now, you can click to view your online store. And there it is. My theme automatically added an icon beside the navigation item to indicate there's something more, inviting the shopper to hover over. You can make as many of these as you want. Just remember that the key thing is to call your new menu exactly the same name as the navigation button you want it to drop down from. Now, shoppers can click through and see everything you have for sale. That's all you need to know about adding a drop-down menu. Thanks for watching.